Hello students, today we are going to study system of dimensions. Now, first of all, we need to study introduction of dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is a mathematical technique for solving engineering problems. It makes use of the dimensions of variables on which the problem depends. A physical phenomena can be expressed by an equation giving relationship between different quantities. Such quantities are dimensional and non-dimensional. Dimensional analysis help in determining a systematic arrangement of the variables in the physical relationship, combining dimensional variables to form non-dimensional parameters. Now the next topic is the system of dimensions. The various physical quantities can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. Now the fundamental or primary quantities are mass, length, time and temperature. The quantities which are expressed in terms of the fundamental quantities are called derived or secondary quantities. Example, velocity, area, acceleration, etc. The expression for a derived quantity in terms of the primary quantity is called the dimension of the physical quantity. Now the two common systems of dimensioning of physical quantities are MLT system, that is mass, length and time system, or FLT system, that is force, length and time system. That is all about the system of dimensions. Thank you very much students.